Yeah, 'cause this is funny. You're putting the candle inside of my igloo.
It's gonna melt.
This thing is huge.
Go, honey.
He's moving the candle. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Oh.
You're going in there too.
We can all fit in there. Too.
Yeah.
I'm not going in there. I don't have any socks.
Here, hold it. I forgot to grab gloves. Actually, you can't fit in here.
I'm cold.
I'm cold too, but I'm
warmer in here than it is.
I don't have on any
It
socks.
really is. Come on.
Are you videotaping?
Yes, it's still videotaping.
And it is.
I told you guys it was big enough. Oh.
Okay, let me get out.
Yeah, I'm cold.
There's nothing that protects it from freezing in.
Hey.
I'm in the igloo. I'm the ghetto Eskimo.
The ghetto Eskimo. I think that's funny.
I'm a Frankfurt Eskimo.
Here, Ma.
Oh. I was going to take a picture.
Huh?
What you doing?
Start recording.
Okay. I can't see Dominique. Ready?
Uh-huh. It's still recording. It's recording you. Just push the circle button on it that you take pictures with.